Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working on Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018. Now we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. We'll be constantly uploading videos, so please guys hit that subscribe button for all the work we do here at the shop and trying to save you money. What we'll be doing today, if your cigarette lighter does not work, okay, this is the power outlet in your Ford Focus MK3, guys. I'm talking about this one, okay, right here. If it doesn't work, it's actually connected to the one in the back as well. Okay, you can see there is one over here. We'll show you which fuse, guys, to check and replace now. You probably noticed that we removed the glove box. You do not have to do that. Why we did it? So we can stick the camera and show you where the fuses are located. So do not remove the glove box. The only thing that you need to remove, okay, that carpet on the bottom. So you have two clips. Squish in, okay, you can see on each side here. Squish on the bottom, pull out. Now you grab the carpet and gently just pull it out. So the fuse, guys, okay, that we need to check now. Okay, this is the fuse that we need to check. Let me explain now. You can see that's the fuse box and you just access it from underneath. On the very left row, guys, okay, we're going to have a fuse starting with number 56. Okay, 56 on the sides. You can see the fuses. Okay, let's get the light maybe on this side a little bit so we can show a little bit better. Okay, yep. So we have 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Okay, the one right there. 61 is the one for the power outlets. So I'm going to use the fuse puller that came with our replacement fuses. Check out where we get all our tools and parts, including the replacement fuses, in the description of the video below for amazing price. Okay, and I'll just go ahead, grab this one. Okay, with the fuse puller, you just get it on top. Okay, let me just grab it here. It's very limited room and I'm trying, okay, my best to get in there. So it has two sides. Okay, let me see which one we need to use. Okay, I cannot grab it there. It's really tight. So because I'm trying to hold the camera with one hand, I'll just go ahead and grab it with the pliers to see if I can pull it out. Perfect. Okay, this is the fuse. So now we need to find a 20 amp fuse. Okay, that box, guys, the price for this box is unbelievable. Please check it out in the description of the video below. So okay, this is a 20 amp fuse. You can see it comes with 15 pieces of 20 amp fuse, so you have variety of fuses for amazing price. Probably you cannot beat that price. Okay, so we'll go underneath now and just install the fuse, okay, like that. After that, you need to install your carpet in reverse order that we took it apart. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.